Hey friends, if you wish to turn Microsoft Edge experimental features on or off, then please watch this video. Now here's a simple fact. What are experimental features basically? So if you click on these three dots here and select settings, anything that you see in the settings window is a part of Microsoft Edge, but these are enabled. If you go to edge colon forward slash flags and hit enter, edge colon forward slash flags, it's called experiments here. So all of these are experimental features. Okay, now I for example turned on smooth scrolling. Let us say that you wanted accelerated 2D canvas, so it is enabled. And if you wanted to override software rendering, it is disabled. You can change it to enabled. So this is how you can add experimental features. There are countless of them, and then simply click on restart for Edge and it will be enabled. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.